So I bought a new set of wheels for my car this summer. These are dark bronze colored, and I thought that look maybe would look good on my car since it's a black car with tinted windows and such. Going for a little bit of a darker overall look. So those ice block foggy white lights were maybe standing out and not fitting into like the complete not the design but look of the car. So I wanted to install the US taillights since they have the red color and also more of the clear lenses. And I guess if you're driving a car here in Scandinavia or Europe, you also will stand out a little bit among Saab drivers because you have red taillights instead of the white ones. But I guess if you are in the US, you maybe want the ice block ones because then you will stand out to other Saab drivers that you have European fitted taillights. But yeah, I went with these red ones, bought them directly from Saab Oreo, which is now been rebranded to Hedin Parts or something like that. And they costed me around $500 and they are new, and these taillights are made by Hella, so good quality at least. But when they come from the retailer or the parts store there, Saab Oreo, they don't come with any kind of cables or bulb holders or LED boards, so you have to swap all of that over from your old taillights. So then also the gaskets, trying to be careful with them so they don't break when you take them off. You can get new gaskets or maybe make new ones yourself, but if you're careful it won't be a problem. As you see in the video, when I was careful I could get it off in one piece, and I wasn't too careful and wanted to do it fast. It ripped, but then I used some like kind of black gasket material to glue it together and for it to stay dry, I guess. And then we also need to switch over all of the LED boards that are in the taillights. So we have like the side marker lamp that you switch or take over to the new housing, and then also like the brake and normal red lights, the 5 LED boards or something like that. It's fairly simple. Just have to remove the covers first, a few screws, then you can like pull them out. Only one of the boards were hard to get out, that last one, because the cables are in the way a little bit, but just try to pull on them and be careful, and you won't rip those solder connections. And in worst case you maybe have to resolder it, or you can always buy a new LED board with those lights, but you will try to save some money and just use the old one and be careful with it. Other than that, and there isn't really too much more to it. The taillights are fitted with 4 nuts on the back side. You can take off the trim panels to get easier access. I did that on the right side, on the left I just let it be because it's a little bit easier access there because of the bigger panel that you can remove on the side. And also be cautious of the rust from the tail lamps rubbing on the car body, so you want to treat that as well, so you don't have to come back in the future and treat that rust spot. And I would guess that is recommended for all Saab 9.3 Combi owners. If you really care about the car, take off the headlamps, treat that area so you don't get rust there. So yeah, thank you for watching, I guess.